the interest-based social media landscape we are living in right now is the best thing that could happen to smaller creators. There is nothing better than you with 0 followers putting out a reel and have the same chance as one with 1 million followers putting out a reel. And then the interest-based algorithm will be like, okay, let's see which one performs better. And if yours performs better, you will be shown to millions of people, potentially. Just a little morning coffee sip. Yeah, that is a good one. All right, let's get into this. If you are complaining as a smaller creator, if you are complaining about reach on Instagram being down, and that is pretty much all you do, then you are not putting yourself up for winning, you are putting yourself up for failure. Every time Mosseri, the CEO of Instagram, puts out a post where he explains something about what's coming next, the features, etc., there are these little keyboard warriors in the comment section who are basically being very negative about everything on this platform and talking about the reach and why are you not showing my posts to more people and why are you not showing my posts to my followers, blah blah blah. Things we already kind of know that they have changed already in the past few years, especially with TikTok, coming along. The entire social media game changed. But this is still a topic, and I try to understand why this is still a topic. But then again, I just might be so nerdy about this, and other people are just starting out, so they need some kind of direction or some guidance. Let me give you a little secret here, a little piece of advice, if you will. If you are complaining about a free platform and you are not taking advantage of what that platform actually could do for you in a more broader sense, like giving you free exposure, giving you the opportunity or the option to network with pretty much anyone you want if you know how to do that. Giving you the option to have a portfolio that is being showed to thousands of people when it comes to impressions and views and whatnot. If that is something that you are complaining about, then you are not understanding the game that you are playing. Let's say you are a small creator, and that also goes for bigger creator, but let's say you are a small creator and you are complaining about reach, then you have to immediately turn around that mindset, because the interest-based social media landscape we are living in right now is the best thing that could happen to smaller creators. It is. There is nothing better than you with 0 followers putting out a reel and have the same chance as one with 1 million followers putting out a reel. And then the interest-based algorithm will be like, okay, let's see which one performs better. And if yours performs better, you will be shown to millions of people, potentially. If you complain about this, then why are you even trying to build a business on the internet? Which is a different topic anyway, because there is no other option in my opinion. But why are you even there if you are just complaining about it? Because all you do is you're setting yourself up for a very bad time, for something that now it's like everything is related to views and how many people see your content every day and blah blah blah. You should play the long game, which I think everyone who has been playing this game for a very long time would say and tell you as well. Play the long game, not the short, not this instant gratification, but play that delayed gratification game. Become a creator. put yourself in a position where you post as much as you can without thinking about if that post now gives you that reach or not. Because there are so many factors here. The algorithm is one, it's important. But the other thing is that if you are not posting at all, you don't even have a chance. Like, you cannot become a better creator. You will not be prioritized by the algorithm. You will not be building a brand, because branding means you have to brand yourself, meaning you have to repeat your message over and over again so it brands into people's brain, and they will basically then be like, hey, that is that person I remember. That's how branding works. You brand. It's literally in the word. If everything you do is basically just kind of like complaining that a free platform doesn't give you what you want it to be because you saw other creators blowing up and you don't even know what they have been through. Like, some of them have been doing this maybe for 5 to 10 years, and then they had their moment, and it's just kind of like in a way deserved, I would say. But if you start out a few weeks in, or a few months even, or not even a year, and are complaining about that you are not growing and that everything is not worth it, and then you are not playing the game. You are not. And you will not play the game that way. You will just be frustrated, you will hate everything you do, and you will be in a position where someone else who understands the game, which happens daily, by the way. Like, if you complain about the algorithm, someone is like, I know how to play this game differently. They will outperform you. So make sure that you need to change your mindset here completely. Like, you have so many opportunities right here in front of you. It doesn't matter which platform you choose. Choose one of them, become consistent, post for the next 6 months consistently, improve every single day a little bit, so you just become that creator over time, and see what happens. Network with the people, outreach, leave comments on people's content, and not just expect people to come to you, but give more than you basically want to have in the future. That is what every mindset in terms of like abundance, like, people with that mindset will always win. And people with the scarcity mindset will lose because they don't see the big picture. So stop crying in Mosseri's posts in the comment sections. Just stop doing that. You're not helping anyone. You should improve yourself, and you should not think about that you are somehow disadvantaged on the system. No, you're not. You have the same chances with 10 followers than someone with 1 million followers. Literally. And if you think you are disadvantaged, then what are the big creators who don't reach a lot more followers in relation to their follower count? But they're still doing it because they know how this game works. Thank you so much for listening today. I will have my morning coffee now, and hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.